Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the stream. Today is kind of I don't really expect much from today because say we had this move lower and then we ran up and back to about flat price for the day, and now I don't know. I don't really. After we've had this move higher, we've ran up above new high of the day. If anything, I just continue at this point for it to keep going higher. But I think it's more likely just a chop around here. I don't really see it needing to come back down lower. So I'm just kind of waiting for it to run out of steam. Yeah, it's just a weird day. It's because when you have there isn't really any clear sign of any manipulation or accumulation or prices build up orders, so it's just one of those days where I think 9:30 has some volatility and then it doesn't really do anything. But we'll see what happens. God damn. The fuck? There you go. Hello, baby. I don't think today is going to be very exciting. I was kind of saying why I didn't get too much into it. I think what I told you before I started live was that there was no bias. When you told me the bias was lower. Now, hold on. The only reason why I say that is because when you have no clear visible accumulation here, like overnight within Asia and London, and so when you kind of open the day and you trend lower and then you immediately start trending higher, it's kind of the only really thing you can do is either kind of like Friday, where you stall and you trade sideways and just very inefficiently go lower, or you do like today, where you continue higher and then you don't do anything the rest of the day. So like I think once we opened up at 9:30 and went higher, we're now gonna run out of steam, and then we could pull back. It's just that I wouldn't look for shorts because I don't see it pulling back and hunting old lows, So the momentum wouldn't be in my favor, and I would probably be shorting in a very choppy trend lower, and I wouldn't want that. There's probably higher odds I'm gonna get stopped. So even if my model shows up today for a short, I'm not gonna take it. At least as of now, I wouldn't want to take it. I don't know. I often say that, and then the short shows up, and I'm like, oh, I want to take it, but we'll see. You guys are gonna have to keep watching to see. Buy more silver. Oh. Yeah, so far, about 20 minutes into market open, and I'm right. But I'm not gonna stick around really to too much, because like I already said what I want to see. And I just don't think today is one of those days where it's worth staying on the chart to see if my model is going to show up already, because I'm not really comfortable with the condition that price is showing at the moment throughout the whole day. So I just don't want to be there to see it show up and then have to decide on watch it either work or not work. It's easier to come back later and see what happened. But yeah, I'll definitely keep everybody updated. I also have a monthly review I gotta do, so gotta look over, changes in my trading and my results on a few of my models, and I want to talk about just different things like that. So I'll have that coming out soon. It's just gonna be a bunch of a long video of me yapping. Really, is all it's gonna be. So, I don't know if anyone's gonna be interested, but it's mainly for me, just to kind of keep track of how my trading evolves from month to month and my progression. But yeah, I hope everybody has a good day, and good luck on your trading. I will see everybody tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow. Well, let's look at the economic calendar. Oh, we do have 10 o'clock news. Maybe I'll stay till the news comes out. Or what I might do, if I do anything, it'd be on a challenge account, and I'd inverse. Maybe I'll do it on my funded accounts too, but I wouldn't do this in my life. I'm gonna inverse if a bearish fair value gap presents itself. I'm gonna inverse it, and if it does so very quickly, not showing any hesitation or speed to do that, then I'm gonna inverse it to go higher. Because I don't know, I don't really see it going lower. I really just it could continue rising and run out more highs, old highs. It's very possible. So I don't know. We'll see what happens.